Hello, welcome to my meditation series. My name is Kim and this is video number 6, and I will be going over Progressive Relaxation Meditation, what it is and the basics on how it's done. And this meditation helps you to release the tension you get in your body, your head, your back, your arms, the muscles, your legs, wherever you have tension. And it's done by tightening up one muscle group at a time and then relaxing it. You tighten and relax it. And when you breathe in is when you tighten the muscle group, and then you exhale and you relax immediately after you exhale. And when you first start doing this meditation, you may want to find a guided audio so you don't mess up one of the muscle groups, get them mixed up or forget one, because I know it's very easy to forget one, especially if you're stressed and tired, because the best time to really do this is probably when you go to bed at night. But if you feel tension during the day, that you're going to want to do it during then to help relieve that tension. But bedtime is one of the best times to do this one, because it will help you fall asleep. Yeah, it should help you fall asleep. So, because you may have tension in your body you're not even aware of. So, to do this meditation, like normal, you find a nice quiet place. And this one you lay down for, because you need to be able to stretch comfortably. And you breathe in, tighten the first muscle group, and then you exhale, and then you release the muscle group. And when you breathe in and hold that tightened muscle group 4 to 10 seconds, and then after you've relaxed the muscle group, you relax for about 10 to 20 seconds. So there'll be a little bit of counting. So if you do this at bedtime, it'll be like counting sheep and releasing tension at the same time. And then you repeat with the next muscle group. You do one muscle group at a time. And the muscle groups are hands, clench your fist, your wrist and your forearms, your biceps and your upper arms, your shoulders you can pull back, forehead, around the eyes and the bridge of the nose, cheeks and jaws, around the mouth, back and neck. Tighten up the back of your neck, the front of your neck, and then you do your chest, then you do your back, your stomach, hips and buttocks, then your thighs, and the last group is your lower legs and feet. And if you feel like you still have a little tension in your body after you go through the groups, do another round of it. Do as many repeat as many rounds as you want to do. So this is perfect for those of you that get a lot of tension in your body. You sit for a long period of time, bothers your back, you're on your feet a lot, your feet and your legs are tense, you get tension headaches. Hopefully this video was informative enough to help you start deciding what type of meditation you can benefit from and that you feel that you can do. And look forward to the rest of the series that I'm doing. I've got 3 more after this one. And if you have any questions, feel free to let me know. And if you like this video, make sure you hit the like at the bottom of the screen. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy meditating!